Good morning, everyone. First and foremost, let me congratulate all the officers and members of the Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated for your 7th year anniversary celebration. Indeed, BFP is very grateful of your presence as our partner in promoting fire safety and fire suppression activities. Napakalaki po ng inyong contribution sa larangan ng trabaho ng pamatay-sunog. Ang nag-iisang ahensya na may mandato ay maraming supporters and partners at isa po kayo dyan. Kaya kami ay nagpapasalamat ng lubos sa inyong presensya. So indeed, your association is one of a contributor to the success of fire safety. Ako ay nanalangin na patuloy kayong bigyan ng sapat na kalakasan upang maitaguyod at may pagpatuloy nyo ang inyong misyon na makatulong sa kapwa. So once again, congratulations to all the members and officers of your associations. To my good friend Henry, maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta ibinigay mo sa BFP at sana ay patuloy kang sumuporta at kaisa sa amin. Rest assured that BFP will be at your back and also support your endeavors. So congratulations once again.